Wadhi kaunti ma Siaya kama Riwruok mar Siaya Strategic Assembly SSA ochako chenro mag chiwo certificate kata oboke ne jodak mantiere kod lony tije mag lwedo kaka mago mag jua kali. Giriwore kod kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo kod kuonde tiegruok mamoko e kaunti ma Siaya mar chako chenro manono lony mag ji e sekta mopogore opogore. Bang'e ichiwo negi oboke mondo mi okonygi e yudo thuolo mag tije kaka jowadgi mamoko masomo e kuonde tiegruok manyasani. Magi duto timore e bwo chenro motis ni recognition of prior learning RPL.
The major reason why we found ourselves here, we were doing mobilization. We wanted to sensitize community about what is RPL and how is the process, how the process can be conducted so that somebody reach a point where he or she can be certified.
There is the competitive advantage that these people are lacking when they go there in the market. You realize that particular time when the tenders are out, the only thing that can show that this person is qualified to do this particular work is the certificates or the documentation that they have. But because they're not having this documentation, there is no evidence that can show that these particular people there's no proof that these particular people can do this particular work very well. So recognition of prior learning gives you an opportunity to get the certificate so that you can also have a competitive advantage for even the tenders which are outside there.
I'm Steve Amolo, Director, Stefan Enterprise Limited. I want to thank the Bondo Technical for rolling out this kind of program that will help and motivate our youths around. We appreciate just because Stefan Enterprise deals with all fields, mechanical, construction, because we've been offering attachments to the students from